everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing this, I made this challenge up about 5 minutes ago. I'm gonna be doing a DIY giant Valentine's Day slime challenge video, but I'm gonna do it blindfolded, and blindfold is pink for Valentine's Day, so I'm pretty excited. If you guys are new to my channel, subscribe down below. Help me get to 800,000. I keep saying that, but let's subscribe down below. If you are watching and you are not subscribed, help a girl out. Join the fam. Join this weird girl you're watching on the internet right now. Get this video to 10,000 thumbs up for more slime challenge videos because they are so fun to film and I love them. And you guys generally love them, but maybe you'll hate this one, but who knows? Let's try to love the video about loving slime. The comments were like, she's so cringy, and I'm like, yes, I know. You wanna go follow me on Instagram, it's at Nichole Jacklyne. I love Instagram. Go follow me right now on Instagram and comment on my recent post that you came from the video, and I will spam you guys, so go check it out. And yeah, let's hop into this video because I'm super excited. So you guys, we have pink foam beads, red foam beads, and white foam beads because it's a Valentine's Day video. We even have a Valentine's Day tablecloth up here, so it's pretty festive. And I also have this Valentine's Day mixing spoon. It's honestly so cute, so love that. We have some borax and it is already mixed up. Then I have this scent from justscent.com and it's called Candy Crush because we are making a Valentine's Day slime. I have some foaming hand soap. I use the Method Sweetwater naturally derived. I don't know why I have that one, but I do. And then I just have this pink acrylic paint. And then last but not least, we have the gallon of glue. Okay, I'm dropping stuff left and right, but I'm gonna try and add this entire gallon into this giant container right here, mix it up blindfolded, see what happens. If you guys didn't know, I did this video for Halloween and I did like a blindfolded giant Halloween slime and it worked out pretty well actually, so we're gonna see if this works out because I'm a little skeptical, but we'll see. So let's hop into this video officially. I'm gonna put my blindfold on. Okay, so first and foremost, we have to grab the glue, which I'm pretty positive it's this and it's not this, so so I'm gonna add in the glue. I'm gonna try to add the whole thing. I had so much coffee, I'm gonna throw up, I think, like it's fine. Oh my god, like, oh, okay, that's heavy. It's fine. Everything is fine. Am I literally in it? Okay, yeah. Okay, my hand touched it. Gross. This is so heavy, like at this angle. The way that I'm sitting is hard to hold. Hello? It smells so good. I love the smell of glue so much. Guys, comment down below. I never did this, okay? Comment down below if you guys ate, oh my god, oh, we're good. If you guys ate glue when you were younger, a lot of my friends did. I don't know, but curious if you did. I wanna add this paint. The paint! I need to like get energy fast, okay? I'm not okay right now. Oh, I don't know how much is coming out of it. It's gonna be either extremely colored or like, LOL, you tried. You thought. That's what this is the color. This is the Candy Crush color. And I'm actually so pumped because I love this scent. Oh, it was so strong. It literally smells like, just like a candy machine, but like sugar, okay? I'll listen to it as I drop it. Oh my god. It was a lot, I feel like. Okay, we have a very oily slime. It is fine. Everyone grab your weaves. It's okay. Where's the mixing spoon? Yes. Is everything lashed? Are we fastened? We is fastened up in here. Now we're gonna stir it up. Mix it all together. This is so strong. Like in a good way, like it smells delicious. The thing is about adding a color in, I have no idea when it's mixed. So that's gonna be interesting. I can literally, sorry. I just hit my camera person. I'm so aggressive. I can literally feel the oil as I grip it around. Like, this isn't I'm not even like, oh my God, I don't even know. Like I think it's done, but like probably not. I'm gonna just like hope for the best. But also I have to add borax still. We have to like, you know, we're not done mixing, so. Wait, I wanted to add in the foaming hand soap too. Makes it extra nice and like bubbly. Oh yes, pump that in there. Hell yeah, girl. Okay, it's gonna be extra foamy. I didn't use so much glue though, so we need to like compensate, you know? Compensate correctly. Oh, I can literally like feel the bubbles. I can like hear them. I'm crazy. Hello, if you think that I will make an amazing Valentine's Day slime, if you have no faith in me, comment down below. Give it a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed to my channel already, then subscribe right now. I'm not worried. I can't look at you guys in the eyes, but like, I'm doing it, okay? If I could, I would be. So, no pressure, but it's all down below. Okay, I'm gonna just like take a guess. Like my eyes are like, okay, we're fine. Just being extra was new. My arm is like gonna be just strong on one side. I'm doing this. I like just change arms. Be a little ambidextrous. Is that the right word? Ambidextrous? Something like that. I go something like that. Okay, now I want to add in the borax. Hopefully I have enough because, no, this is probably good. I have to listen. It's so quiet. I'll figure it out. I probably have to end up going in with my hand because it's so like much that when you stir it, it's gonna be thick as heck. It's so tiring. It literally is like so heavy. And I keep dragging my nails and it hurts like a little freaking, dang. Okay, I have fake nails, so it pulls my real nail. Ah! So over borax. Frick. It sounds nice though. It sounds nice, okay. Oh my god. It's so tight. I can feel, my arms are like, if I was like at a different angle, I could be stronger about it, but it's like, oh shoot, that did not sound good. Oh my gosh, I just found, you guys, look what I just found. Is this the top of the glue? Yeah, I knew it fell in there. You guys, this slime is literally it's so thick. You guys, I don't want to add foam to it. It's so good. Okay, you guys. It's time for the grand reveal. It's not sticky anymore. I'm gonna take off my blindfold. Hey, cute. Oh my gosh. It's actually so nice. Okay, this is like, I'm proud of myself right now. This is nice. It needs to be like mixed, oh, there's still like little like pieces of glue in it. But this is super nice. You guys, I'm actually, okay, I am very impressed right now. Very impressed. Oh my gosh. You guys, what should I name this? It smells like Candy Crush amount of like red foam beads right now because it's like, I don't want a huge foam, but I want like a little bit of foam in there. Let's just do like a little bit of red. These are so messy to open. They're spilling everywhere. Just do a little bit. We should do like a little bit of white also, because it's like, it already has a pink base, so they know that it's pink. It looks so freaking cute. Oh my god. Okay. Add some white in there. This is cute. Cute. Okay, calm down, Nichole. So cool. This is so good. Honestly, guys, I'm pretty proud of myself, pretty surprised. I was like, watch this mess up, watch me ruin this slime. Classic Nichole move. It's so cold. And yeah, guys, if you want to purchase from my slime shop restock, I will have the link down below. I will see you guys with a new video very soon. If I should do more blindfolded slime challenges, comment down below like what kind of like theme I should do, and I literally cannot breathe right now. I'm like, oh, it's the coffee. Comment down below some slime challenge idea videos because I would love to hop on that video. And yeah, if you have not already, subscribe down below, give it a thumbs up, get to 10,000 likes because that'd be so cool if you did. And yeah, guys, I will see you with a new video very soon. This is so pretty. I literally like, wow. I'll be here all day. Thank you. God bless America. I'll see you guys very soon. Bye.